अभी आपको लिए चलेंगे वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात अता तारा तकरीब से खिताब कर रही हैं।
And for this purpose, Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, has not only constituted a high-powered committee on cashless economy, but is leading every way of the step, going towards technological integration and towards a cashless economy to ensure transparency and financial inclusion. The reason Prime Minister decided to chair this committee himself is because he believes in technology and he believes that financial services to citizens should be based on technology. During his tenure as the Chief Minister of Punjab, he initiated the first IT board, which is known as the Punjab IT board today. It was the first public sector organization based on technology. And in an era where there was no Zoom, because we became acquainted with the application of Zoom during the COVID days, the first video conferencing service in the public sector was introduced by Shehbaz Sharif Sahab as the Chief Minister. And the reason was that he did not want people who were posted in far-flung areas of the Punjab, somewhere in Bahawalpur or Dera Ghazi Khan or Multan, to travel all the way to Lahore to attend meetings. And there began a journey of technological advancement, of inclusion and efficiency. And it wasn't only restricted to that. When the flagship project of distributing laptops on merit, when it was introduced, there was a lot of criticism. But the reason why our economy sustained during the COVID days was because a lot of people were working from home. A lot of people were obtaining online education. So I think in the era of technological advancement, this is a very welcome step. And the government of Pakistan fully supports this initiative. And we believe that integration with regard to technology, with regard to financial inclusion, with regard to making it easy for citizens to become a part of this process and to enable them to use technology and to use these services in the platform that they're already using. So I think it's a great step, it's a great collaboration, and I would like to not only appreciate this initiative, but I would also like to assure you on behalf of the Prime Minister, on behalf of the government of Pakistan, that wherever there is introduction of technology, wherever there is collaboration between two industries, be it the telecom services, be it the technological advancement, be it internet banking, wherever these three aspects come together, you will always find the government of Pakistan standing with you shoulder to shoulder, supporting your initiatives. This great initiative between Zindagi, Zong and GS Bank, and I'm glad you called it Z Wallet because in the era of Gen Z, Z Wallet makes a lot of sense. So a pertinent name for a pertinent initiative. In the lead, I've restricted myself to my heartfelt sentiments and I've not done any paper reading today. And Randhawa Sahab and I have worked together back in the day, so we know each other. So thank you very much. And once again, my deepest appreciation to GS Bank, to Zindagi and to Zong for coming together and making financial inclusion a reality and making the lives of ordinary citizens very easy, and for combining internet banking, connectivity, technology all together to make the experience of the end user convenient. Thank you very much in Pakistan Zindabad.
वफाकी वज़ीर इत्तलात और नशरियात अता तारर जी वॉलेट की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। आपको बताएं इस मौके पर उनका ये कहना था कि हुकूमत की कोशिश है कि जो डिजिटल दौर है उसमें जो नई नई टेक्नोलॉजीज़ हैं उन्हें मुतारिफ़ करवाया जाए और इसी सिलसिले में जी वॉलेट एक इंतहाई अहम इक़दाम है। आगाज़ में इससे टेक्नोलॉजी में काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़वाइद हासिल होंगे। हुकूमत पाकिस्तान ने माली शमूलियत पर यकीन रखती है।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।